Alright, so I'm installing a cold air intake on this 2005 F150 with the 5.4 Triton. And I went ahead and pulled the throttle body off and ported it out just kind of the best I could. Didn't want to spend a whole lot of time on it, but I kind of shaved down that little middle part a little bit and then sharpened the blade up a little on this side, the up side, not the bottom side, and kind of smoothed out all that rough stuff in there. I'm going to hit it with some sandpaper too to kind of get it a little smoother, but you can see it's opened up, and I also cut the backs of the screws off that were right here sticking out. So now I've got quite a bit more flow there at full throttle, so that's going to help out. And then I'll show you how to install the intake. Alright, so this is a $150 intake and it's pretty good quality, but you basically just put this elbow on and then this pipe, and then you put your mass airflow that's out of the old intake here. You unscrew that, put it in there, and you can see that probably flows a lot better than that. But basically I'm going to go ahead and finish reading the directions and show you what I did. Alright, so here's a quick little video of it fully installed. Looks pretty good. I'm happy with it for the price. Moves around a little bit, so probably put some self-tapping screws into the sheet metal right there, and that would hold it down a lot better because you can see that's moving. So, but yeah.